So what's up guys? Maulan na umaga guys. Ito pa ang aking branch guys. Ningning daw po pangalan nito, Ningning. Akala ko danggit, pero Ningning po pala. Mga maliliit na daing. Daing with scrambled egg and sunny side up. Yan po ang aking branch. Ningning. Aneng ning ning ning. Sinting ning 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 tung ning 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 ning. Yan po guys, lakas ang ulan guys. Ning 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 ning. Balik ka rin natin si Ning Ning guys. Yan guys. Ang aking Ning Ning. Yan. Ning Ning. Si Ning Ning. Kala ko dang dito yung panlita ng bangus to, panlita dahil Ning guys. Ito po ang aking pang fried rice. Haluan ko ng vegetables. Yan po, vegetables fried rice. At ang aking sausawan kay Ning. Yan, spicy vinegar para kay Ning. Yan guys, malapit na, lakas ang ulan guys. Yan guys, lakas ang ulan guys. Stay safe. Stay safe guys. It's raining. Stay safe mga lods. Okay guys, balik rin natin si Ning. Sing ning 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 ning. Aning ning ning ning. Aning ning ning ning. Ning 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 ning. Asing ning ning ning. Para maging crispy. Okay guys, ahon natin si Ning Ning. At magpa-fried rice pa tayo. Garlic muna tayo. Garlic para fried rice. Garlic po. Okay guys, ayan si crispy Ning guys. Crispy Ning. Guys, crispy Ning. Magpo-fried rice naman tayo guys. Yan ang carrots, Baguio beans, more carrots, cabbage. Ayan. Para healthy fried rice. healthy fried rice. Healthy fried rice. Next, ang ating rice. Sinangag rice na. Yan ang iodized salt. Iodized salt tayo. Alright guys, ito ang aking vegetable sinangag, baggy beans, cabbage, and carrots. Vegetable sinangag para sa aking ningning fried fish and sunny side up and scrambled egg. Okay guys, ito na ang ating fried rice, special of the house, specialty. Okay guys,